Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see about fault modeling concept. Before that, let us discuss the concept of testing in digital circuit. It is a crucial phase in the VLSI design flow to ensure that fabricated digital circuits function according to their specifications. Due to manufacturing imperfections, some defects may occur during fabrication. This leads to faulty behavior. What are the objectives of testing? Detect manufacturing defects, also ensure reliability and quality, reduce cost due to faulty products, it improve yield and customer satisfaction. What do you mean by fault in digital circuits? A fault is a physical defect that causes a circuit to deviate from its behavior, that is expected behavior. Assume this is the AND gate symbol. Hope everyone know the symbol of AND gate and the behavior of AND gate. This AND gate has two input line, one A input line and B input line. This is the output response of the AND gate. So what is the behavior of AND gate when we are applying input 0 0? What is the expected result here? 0. When we are applying input combination like this, that is 0 1, what is the expected result of AND gate? 0. When we are applying 1 0 input combination for this gate, what is the expected result? 0. Suppose applying 1 1 input combination, at the time we are getting expected result as 1. But this line is any one of the line, here I am considered first input line is affected by stuck at 0. So stuck at 0 means this line is affected by stuck at 0 means that time the line signal line is always generate logical 0 value only. When we are applying logical 1 value, but this line is affected by this kind of fault, that time it generates only logical 0. Because of this, we are not getting expected behavior of this gate. For example, we take this input combination. When we are applying 1 1 here, at the time this line is affected by stuck at 0. Automatically this line is generates only 0 instead 1. What is the input combination 1 0 1 for AND gate? 0. But our expected result 1. But due to this fault, we are getting 0 output. So this is the concept of fault in digital circuit. What are the sources of faults? Dust particles during fabrication, variations in process parameters, mask misalignment, wear out and aging effects. What are the classification of faults? Based on the duration and behavior, we classify the faults in digital circuits. So based on the duration, we categorize as permanent fault, intermittent faults, transient faults. Based on the behavior, categorized as logical faults, delay faults. Let us discuss one by one. What do you mean by permanent fault? Permanent faults remain in the circuit until repaired. Examples for permanent faults are stuck-at faults, open faults, short circuit faults. Next, transient faults. These faults occur temporarily due to external disturbance. It is caused by power supply noise, radiation effects, electromagnetic interference in the circuit. But do not permanently damage the circuit, these kind of faults. Next fault is intermittent fault. These faults appear and disappear randomly. It is caused by loose connections or temperature variations in the circuit. Fault modeling. Let us see the concept of fault modeling. Why we are following fault modeling concept in digital circuit. In general, physical defects are complex to analyze in large circuit. So, we are following this kind of fault modeling to find the physical defects. It converts physical defects into logical representations that can be analyzed at gate or RTL level. It helps in testing and verification of digital circuits. The fault modeling simplifies fault analysis. It enables automatic test pattern generation. Also, this kind of fault modeling reduces the testing cost and time. Then, what are the fault modeling levels we are following? That is transistor level modeling, gate level modeling, resistor transfer level modeling. What do you mean by logical fault model? The logical fault model represents faults using Boolean logic abstractions. We categorize as stuck-cut fault model, bridging fault model, open fault model, delay fault model. Among the four fault model, the stuck-cut fault model is the famous and commonly used model to find the physical defects in the digital circuit. The stuck-cut fault model is divided into stuck-cut 0 and stuck-cut 1. That is represented as SA0 and SA1. Stuck-cut 0, which means always this line, this fault generates logic 0. When the signal line is affected by stuck-cut 1, that time that line always generates logic 1 value, which means this that is gate symbol is that signal line is connected to VDD. Always it generates logic 1. The gate line, that is signal line, is connected to ground. At the time that line is always generates logic 0. This is named as stuck-cut fault model. With example, we are going to discuss the concept of stuck-cut 0 and stuck-cut 1 fault model. In this slide shows different gate symbols like AND gate, OR gate, inverter. From this example, we are going to discuss the concept of stuck-cut 0, stuck-cut 1. So, in this AND gate, first you take this AND gate. In this AND gate, it has 2 input, 1 output, which is described as a truth table representation. So, in this one, the first column, input column, the second column is named as fault-free output. The third one named as output value with stuck-cut fault of each gate line. So, totally it has 2 input line. For example, you take here AND gate. This AND gate has 2 input A and B. This A and B means totally it has how many number of input combination? 4 kind of combination we are able to apply for this AND gate. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. We are going to apply for this AND gate. This is the fault-free response, means our expected behavior. When we are applying 0, 0, what is the output of AND gate? 0. When we are applying 0, 1, 0. When we are applying 1, 1, what is the expected result? 1. When we are applying 1, 0, what is the expected result? 0. This is the expected behavior. But this line, the first input line, this A line is affected by stuck-cut 1. That time, what is the expected results for AND gate? We are going to discuss that concept. Suppose when we are playing 0, 0 combination for this gate, what is the expected result? 0. But this line is affected by stuck-cut 1. What is the expected result? 0. When we are applying 0, 1, when we are applying here 0, 1, what is the expected result here? 0. But due to this fault, we are getting expected result, getting result as 1. Now you compare this both value. Here fault-free response is 0, faulty response is 1. So both inputs, outputs are differ. So automatically this line is affected by some kind of fault. Here named as a stuck-cut 1. This is the test vector to find fault in this A line, means this is the kind of test vector going to follow. Similar way we are calculate the other kind of test vector for all the gates. For example, you take this A line is affected by, for AND gate, A line is affected by stuck-cut 0 fault. Stuck-cut 0 fault. At the time, what is the test vector to find the faults presence in this gate symbol? At the time, our During that input combination 1 1 only, we are able to find fault presence in this circuit. That means when we are applying 1 1 input combination here, at the time the line is A line is affected by stuck at 0. Affected by stuck at 0. At the time, what is the expected result or original response when we are applying 1 by without stuck at 0 value equal to 1. But this line is affected by stuck at 0. At the time, this one is changes as 0. Changes as 0. What is the output response now for this AND gate? 0, 1, 0. But our expected behavior 1. But due to this fault, we are getting like this. This is the test vector. When this A line is affected by stuck at 0 means this is the test vector. Similar way, we are calculating the concept of stuck at 0, stuck at 1 concept of this gate. From this example, what are the features of stuck at fault model? This is single fault assumption, but easy to simulate. It covers high fault coverage, widely used in ATPG tools. What do you mean by bridging fault model? It occurs when two or more signal lines are shorted. At the time, it is named as a bridging fault model. So, bridging fault model classified as wired or fault. What do you mean by open fault model? It is caused by broken interconnections results in floating nodes. This unpredictable output behavior. This is named as a open fault model. What do you mean by delay fault model? Delay fault affects the timing behavior of the circuit without changing logical functionality. It classified as gate delay fault, path delay fault. Gate delay means delay of gate exceeds specified limit. It may cause setup or hold time violation. What do you mean path delay? It excessive delay along a complete path of a given circuit. It is important for high-speed circuits. From this one, we summarize fault modeling abstracts physical defects. Stuck at fault is the most popular model. It improves test quality. It enables reliable VLSI system. Thank you.